program that we are undertaking at the moment is basically the plan for our financial year for 2020-2021. What we had planned is that during this COVID-19 period, we will concentrate our efforts within our coastal and inshore fisheries. And this is basically a part of that plan. We plan to cover the whole of Viti Levu in the next 6 months. There are two critical issues that we wanted to participate in. Firstly is the commercial farmers, the conversion of subsistence farmers for food security, and upgrading them to commercial farmers so that they can generate a source of revenue for their livelihood. As you see, in the last 4 days, we had covered Nandronga, Navosa, Mba, and then we will go over to Ra tomorrow. In that, we are also doing a stock of all the aquaculture farmers around Viti Levu. With that data, we will be able to generate the information that we can then work out the farmers that we can assist to elevate them from being subsistence for food security and to full commercial farmers.
We have this food security program that offers two categories of assistance. One is to our existing farmers, those that have their pond already dug up by maybe funded by themselves from their family saving. And for such assistance, the ministry, should they wish to assist with the assistance from us, normally the ceiling is around $7,000, and they can be assisted with expansion of their current pond into our standard size pond, which is 30 by 20. Also in that scope of assistance, we do give them feed for one cycle, lime manure, and if there is a need for us to supply them with piping for their proper inlet and outlet water source.
Me pokano na ngole mena turang minista ke memi meso tabitale na buguni vivuke na buguni mami ngangandre kali beki mami sa ando ngandre patur me ara susu ngasona beka ke mesa sotabara na vivuke na tentu ya sa meso tabi na singin dai mena ngusu sarangan lima tentu mena kana minista ke memi sotabara roki na singin dai terdengar kona babinuna kana buni tukutukan matentu ke mesame sutawa na matentu bilutak na bun sa ramai butu saranga na memi tiko kina beka ke menganrepa kina vivu ke samai tuguni beke mami na singani ko ke samai alopate kina na pingkara bitunga na memi tiko ke tengoi ke pingkara bikina dan ni mami babinuna na pale